Today's math lesson in division, we will be looking at a different strategy that will help us do division. So I'm just going to read the assignment here. It says, watch the video explaining the assignment, and that's this one. After watching the video, click here for the Google assignment, complete the assignment, and don't forget to share it with your teacher. Write down in the comments after you have shared your assignment. If you don't know how to share the assignment, come to office hours. So I'm going to click here for the Google assignment. It's going to ask me to make a copy. And this one we're actually going to be using base 10 blocks to help us solve the problem. So I'm just going to show you how to do each one of them. This first one, you're going to divide the base 10 blocks up. 48 divided by 4, you're going to divide the base 10 blocks up into 4 equal groups. So thinking about it, you can start out by moving one here, and so on, until you get to until you have the equal amount in each one. So this is the number 48. 4 10s, 8 1s. So divide it up evenly between the 4 circles. On the next slide is the same thing, but if you look, it says 96 and then a /3. That slash also means divided. So 96 divided by 3. Again, here's the base 10 blocks. 96, 9 10s, 6 1s, divide them into the 3 equal groups. So you're just going to move the base 10 blocks over and divide them up, just like we did with the circles last week, or earlier this week. This one, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use the blocks to make 63. And so this, you can make as many blocks as you want to. And you're going to make the number 63. Here's the ones. So you're going to do that. And then after making 63, you're going to divide them up into the 3 circles. So you're going to make the number and then divide. Same thing on this slide. 55 divided by 5, you're going to make the number first, and then you're going to divide it. And then the last one, you need to draw it yourself. So on this one, you're going to click the pen. The first thing you need to do is draw 69 in base 10 blocks, and you're going to do it up here. So you're going to make 10s, there's 6 10s, and then 9 1s. And then you're going to divide them up into here. So what you can do is you can say 1 here, and then cross it off. 1 here, cross it off. That might be an easy way to do it so you don't lose track. All right? Once you're done with that, make sure that you share it with your teacher. You're going to click the share button. On your iPad, it's the 3 dots at the top right, and then the person with the plus sign on it. You click on that and you get this dialog box. Make sure that you share it with me.